Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
Global economy.
February 17, 11:14 America, New York. Welsh ambulance workers reject higher pay offer. GMB union members will now join English colleagues in strike action.
BBC News Business.
February 17, 11:07 America, New York. TransPennine. True extent of cancellations revealed. The rail franchise pulled far more trains than any other operator, figures released by the regulator show.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
February 17, 10:54 America, New York. Companies are slow to adopt robot-operated, dark, warehouses. Limits to robotic technology are hampering efforts to create fully automated fulfillment centers, operators and executives say.
New York Times Business.
February 17, 10:35 America, New York. Bao Fan, star banker, goes missing in China. Bao Fan, a well-connected banker, is the latest businessman in China to disappear, raising concerns that Beijing's crackdown on the technology and financial industries will continue. Bao Fan, the chairman and chief executive of China Renaissance Holdings, in Beijing in 2017.
BBC News Business. February 17, 10:33 America, New York. Bus £2 fare cap extended for 3 months. The government support comes after warnings hundreds of services could be cut if funding ended.
Global economy.
February 17, 10:30 America, New York. When you wish upon R. Is monetary policy tight, right, or easy?
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
February 17, 10:21 America, New York. AMC Networks earnings top views as firm slashes costs. Kristen Dolan, the spouse of interim executive chairman James Dolan, is set to take over as CEO of the company later this month.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
February 17, 10:01 America, New York. What CEOs are getting wrong about the future of work, and how to make it right. To build better companies, leaders need to experiment more. Quit living in fear of opening Pandora's box, says Wharton management professor Adam Grant.
Daily FX Market News.
February 17, 10 o'clock America, New York. USD, JPY outlook. Dollar-yen jumps on hawkish Fed and rising yields. USD, JPY rises to above 135.00 after Fed officials push for higher rates. Loose monetary policy continues to weigh on safe haven yen.
New York Times Business. February 17, 9:48 America, New York. European natural gas price falls to lowest level since 2021. Europe may have avoided the worst-case economic scenario envisioned after the invasion of Ukraine, thanks to a dramatic drop in energy prices. New York Times Business.
February 17, 9 o'clock America, New York. You can use your tax refund to buy I-bonds, but should you? The answer depends on whether you're looking to get high interest rates now or a safe investment with inflation protection over many years. BBC News Business.
February 17, 8:38 America, New York. Purplebricks, struggling online estate agent puts itself up for sale. The online estate agent launches a strategic review as it expects to lose up to £20 million this year.
Daily FX Market News.
February 17, 8:30 America, New York. USD price forecast. Dollar index, DXY, reacting favorably to Fed speakers. The US dollar continues to gather momentum going into next week as we await the Fed's bargain later today. DXY eyes 105.
Daily FX Market News.
February 17, 7:19 America, New York. EUR, USD latest. Trendline break and rate expectations climb to 3.75%. The euro, like many other USD crosses, has witnessed a crucial break of support as a wave of hawkish USD repricing takes hold after Fed talk of 50 basis points in March.
Global economy.
February 17, 4:46 America, New York. Stocks fall and Treasury yields rise on fresh U.S. rate fears. Hawkish comments from Fed officials add to investors' concerns.
Digital finance.
February 17, 1:14 America, New York. Rakuten Bank targets April for its Tokyo IPO. A successful deal for Rakuten Bank could unlock equity public markets to Asia's struggling fintech sector. The post Rakuten Bank targets April for its Tokyo IPO appeared first on Digital Finance.
Marginal revolution.
February 17. 056 America New York, Democratic Republic of Congo growth estimate of the day. I worry about the distribution, but of course the news could be worse. The International Monetary Fund said a mining boom helped the Democratic Republic of Congo's economy perform significantly stronger last year than earlier forecast.
Marginal revolution.
February 17. 004 America New York, has the Great Awakening in scholarship peaked? Here is much more from Musa al-Gharbi. Via John Cunningham. The Post has the Great Awakening in scholarship peaked? Appeared first on Marginal Revolution.